Chatbot Showdown. Two giants in automation. ManyChat versus SendPulse. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, ManyChat, smart automation for chats, sales, and marketing. On the right, SendPulse, all-in-one marketing with chatbots, email, SMS, and more. Let's skip the buzzwords and see what truly sets these platforms apart. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which platform leads in 2025. The final results might just surprise you. So, here's the roadmap for this comparison. We're looking at 7 big things. Price and plans, chatbot automation and AI, that's got to be spicy, multi-channel and marketing suite, ease of use and setup, reporting and analytics, ecosystem and integrations, and finally, support and community. Everything you actually care about when picking your chatbot tool. Okay, right out of the gate, let's talk price. Because, let's be real, nobody wants to blow their budget on a chatbot. ManyChat does actually have a free tier, which is cool for testing, and their pricing is pretty straightforward. But if you want anything advanced, we're looking at $19 to $21.75 a month on their Pro plans. So yeah, it climbs up quickly. Oh, and advanced stuff is basically locked behind those higher tiers. Now, with SendPulse, what honestly jumps out is how generous the free plan is. You get up to 3 bots and a whopping 10,000 messages a month. Paid plans come in lower, starting around $10, and they do this neat pay-per-module thing where you literally only pay for channels you use. But, and here's the catch, if you start stacking those channels up, it can totally add up. So, who's winning here? For most folks watching their pennies, SendPulse totally takes the lead. Let's dive into automation. Which, come on, is kind of why you want chatbots in the first place. ManyChat's automation is honestly just slick. If you want to build killer flows, you've got crazy options, plus support for Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram. Toss in some AI, NLP magic, and you can even connect things like ChatGPT to make your bots feel sharp. But heads up, if you go deep, the learning curve gets real. Now, SendPulse covers the basics well, works across most of the big platforms. Messenger, web, SMS, WhatsApp, yes, even Viber. Their drag-and-drop builder is a win for beginners, and you get a central inbox for all those leads. Thing is, the bots are kinda templated. You have to manage each channel separately, and analytics aren't exactly next level. So for automation, if you want power and AI, ManyChat is the winner. Marketing suite, right? ManyChat stays mostly on the chat side. Fastest setup for Messenger and Instagram, and if you want email or SMS, you'll need something like Zapier. It's great if you live and breathe chat. SendPulse, though, is kind of like the all-you-can-eat buffet. Chatbots, email, SMS, web push, even built-in CRM and e-learning. You handle everything from one dashboard. Process payments, run subscription management, the works. Okay, so it's more generalized. Not every channel is equally deep. And yeah, setting all that up can take a minute. But if you really want all your marketing in one place, SendPulse gets the crown here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know ManyChat was one of Messenger's first official chatbot partners? Super old school. Whereas SendPulse actually lets you run chatbot flows mixed in with email and SMS campaigns. So, a chatbot with backup dancers, basically. So, ease of use, because no one wants to bang their head against the screen. ManyChat's interface is just clean. Super simple for setting up Messenger or Instagram bots, especially for non-techie folks. Not gonna lie, the deeper stuff does take time to master, though. On SendPulse, you get that drag-and-drop builder, which is kinda idiot-proof. And they hand you some free onboarding templates, so you're up and running fast. Though, to test changes, you gotta publish your bot, which is a weird hassle. And juggling separate bots can get tedious. But overall, ManyChat is just a dash faster and friendlier up front. So it grabs the win here. Reporting for everyone who loves numbers. ManyChat gives you solid analytics. There's details in those chat funnels and behavior-based triggers. Pretty deep stuff, honestly. But compared to those super high-end enterprise dashboards, it's still growing. SendPulse? You get the basics. Channel level stats, delivery logs, the essentials. But if you want that full-blown automation metrics dashboard, yeah, you won't quite find it here. So, if analytics is your jam, ManyChat is the winner. Let's talk about integrations. ManyChat does a solid job. Zapier, Google, Shopify, payments, you name it. Big community, lots of templates. Feels like you're never stuck for options as long as you're in the chat world. SendPulse, though, moves beyond just chat. You get PayPal, Stripe, built-in CRM, LMS, email, SMS, push, almost everything you need for full campaigns. Only thing, you might find some integrations locked behind higher-tier plans. So, in terms of reach, both kinda win. One's broad with marketing channels, the other's deep in chat. I'm calling this category a tie. Last up, support and the community. ManyChat's got a buzzing user community, loads of templates and guides floating around, and you'll find a ton of answers online. But honestly, support satisfaction does bounce around, especially if you're on the lower tiers. You get premium help only if you pay up. Now, SendPulse, people rave about their support. Scores like 9.1 out of 10. Response time is fast, and you get some localized help depending on where you are. So for support, SendPulse really does come out on top. Looking at the big picture, SendPulse wins at price, multi-channel stuff, and support. ManyChat dominates automation, reporting, and setup. Tie on integrations because, honestly, depends on your style. You can probably see it on the radar chart. Each has a lane they're built for. So, bottom line, if you want powerful chat automation, tons of AI tricks, and you're mostly working on Messenger or Instagram, ManyChat is what you need. On the flip side, if you really want all your campaigns, chat, email, SMS, CRM, in one spot and save some cash, SendPulse is your best bet. It totally depends if you want deep chat powers or one platform for everything. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.